Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So, we got some more surprise dividends from Roundhill that we're going to look into in just a second here. I will pull up, so I get an email every week at like 6 a.m. on Dividend Day. And once again, they both exceeded expectations. So, here we go. Let's see. We got Roundhill 6 a.m. Here we go. All right. Hope everybody's day is off to a great start. Hopefully, your day gets better after seeing this. Um, or should I say even better? Okay, so here's what we've got. We've got 25 cents for both of them. For XDTE, it's actually 25.8. For QDTE, it's actually 25.1. Let me see if I can zoom in, if that's not big enough. I think you all can see that. Okay, so that is the dividend. Now let's do some spreadsheet numbers. Let me see, I probably haven't touched this since last week's video. So I need to probably add some columns again. We're starting to run out of columns or space. I need to do some copying and some advanced Excel formulas like copying and pasting. Okay, I actually did leave myself a little room over here. So here's what we're gonna do. Gonna move these down. I deleted some columns last week, so we're gonna move these down by 1. We should have enough room over here. So we're gonna add, this is week number 6, isn't it? Yeah, week number 6 of dividends in these funds. Who all is invested in these, by the way? I might just do a poll, or you all can comment in the comment section if you're actually invested in these. Okay, let me go to this screen over here. Okay, so we've got, let's see, for QDTE, no, for XDTE, we'll do that first. It's 0.258006, which rounds up to 26 cents. For this one, it is 0.251747. It's bolded. Okay, let's do this over here. Okay, let's center this. Now we're in business. So we've got 5 trading days, which I believe has been, oh, look at that. We get a dollar sign there. Nope, not what we want to do. Let me see. There we go. Okay, so now what we can do, drag these formulas down. It should be just a drag and drop at this point. A drag and drop show. Okay, let's see here. 5 of you on, no comments. Anyone invested in Roundhill? If no one comments that they're invested, then I got to stop doing these videos. I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that. It's easy material. Okay, let's see. Where are we here? Okay, so if we annualize it, we are going to be at not quite where we were last week, but still a respectable number. $13 in both. And then current share price for both of them. Let me look up XDTE. Let's see, XDTE is 50.76. So we came back a little bit for the first time in like 6 weeks. We were actually higher than we were the week before. So that's definitely good news. So let's do this. Why is this? No, 50.76. There we go. Formatting. All right, and then the next one, QDTE. 43. So this one came back as well. 43.34. How does it miss the 4? Okay. Take this one, cut it, move it down here. Take this one, cut it, move it down here as well. Okay, and then for price change, we're just subtracting this from this. It's a negative number because it actually went up. So in this case, it's like the opposite. This is the first time I may have to change this formula because if we start to go up, we don't want to see the negative number because it's like the opposite. And then our scenario here with 100,000 invested would actually buy us fewer shares because the share price went up. So total shares is a function of share price and dollars available to invest. And then if we do this, so we would have weekly 580 and weekly income in this one, 508 in this one. And then the big number, if we annualize this would be 26,000 annual. And then this would be 30,000 annual. Of course, the other option, you all could just do what one of the guests on last night's live stream was saying, and just buy low on Tesla, put 100,000 into it, and then get like 50,000 in dividends or whatever. Just kidding, I wouldn't recommend that, but you know this is this is where we would be. Um, do I do this myself? To be clear, I'm not invested in these. I'm just following them weekly because it's definitely something interesting and something new. These weekly dividends. So let's see. So the price change. Let's see. Let me see if this carried forward. No, because I did it manually. So we had lost 267. We have to adjust this. So now it's 234. It's going to be, this is the problem with manual formulas out of the original. So it's only 4% that it's lost at this point because we gained some back. So we had 362 that we had lost. Now it's only 301. So it's going to be 301 divided by the original share price. So we've lost 6.5% here. We lost 4.41% here. As far as the total dividends, to sum it up, um, we've made $1.19 in cumulative dividends. We've lost 234 in share price. So we've lost more in the share price than we've made in dividends. So keep that in mind. As far as this one, we've made $1.64 in dividends. If I round up a bit, we've lost 301. So lost 301 in the share price, made made $1.62 in dividends. So not quite what we would call an even trade-off. Let's see if we've got any comments here. No more NAV erosion, markets go up and down. Well, it's true, but I mean, we are going to have that when the dividends are high and when they get paid out. Welcome, almost first again. We've got Edwin Odell investing in YBTC. Yeah, try to take advantage of some of the crypto momentum this year, right? So, okay, well, that's pretty much it for today's video. I guess we can look at the chart real quick. I'll do a seeking alpha window, and we'll just look at both of these on the chart. Before I do that, let me pull this up over here. So I was looking at Baidu yesterday, or Baidu. It's a Chinese company. I think it's right now it's at a low point and it might start to recover. I know some people are concerned about Chinese stocks and the risk, but look where it is compared to where it's been like in the last 5 years or so. It's at like the lowest point that it's been actually in the last like 10 years or so. So if you believe in the business model, or you believe in the business and all that, this might be a great one to invest in. Let's go to charting real quick. Um, Let me add, so it's going to be XDTE and then QDTE. QDTE, here we go. Okay, so we'll take this one out. We'll take this one out. So to compare both of these, well, let's do this. We'll compare them to their indexes. So we'll do the Qs, and then we'll do SPY. And then over the last month. Okay, so obviously oh, what happened? What happened? I lost it? Oh, it's refreshing, I guess. Okay, so everything's down over this time frame, but XDTE and QDTE are down slightly more, but they've paid dividends. Let's do total return. Total return should be interesting on these since it's weekly. Total return is still underperforming the indexes. Okay. So there we go. There's how it looks on the chart for visual learners. So, all right, you all. Thank you all for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you all on the next one. Take care. Have a great day. Happy investing. We got Amazon earnings today too, and Apple soon. Stay tuned for that. See you later. Bye.